What the heck are you thinking, first home buyer? Breaking news, just yesterday, a couple, first home buyers, bought a 1.83 million crappy terrace house at an auction, knowing full well they will spend up to $250,000 to $1.5 million of renovations. And this is the happy couple. Let's go behind the scene. Again, this happened yesterday. See what was going through this couple's head. Property has 362 Wilson Street, Darlington. Yes, I'm very nosy. If you're nosy too, follow me. Before we look into the property, let's look at the loan structure. And this is just my best guess. So it got sold for 1.83 million in the article. It's in Darlington. It's a house. If they borrow 80%, it would be in 1,464,000. At 3.85% interest rate variable principal and interest, because he's a first home buyer, the repayment will be $6,863.35 per month. Now you saw the photos of the house and it looks not livable. So do you really think when the bank sends a valuer there to value the property in Darlington, it'll be worth 1.83? Let's take a look. Based on a computer valuation today, it's actually estimated at 1.95 million. As you can see, they started their property marketing campaign on July 2022, and the guide was only 1.25 million. And this is a floor plan of the house, and I'm assuming it's a terrace. 3 bedrooms on the top floor and 1 bedroom on the ground floor. And these are the recently sold properties. See, Newtown 2.1, 1.8, and 1.9. So from here, you get to see why they would buy something for 1.8, because it's 4 bedrooms and in Darlington. So let's take a look into the property. Oh, god damn. Oh, I feel sorry for your renovation costs. Oh man. Oh damn, look at that. Imagine doing this every goddamn weekend. My weekend is gone. God damn, this is one of the bedrooms here. Damn, was Hulk living in here? The tenants fucking trashed the place. That's why it's so important to get landlord insurance. But back to being serious, guys. They would have put down 20% plus stamp duty, which is $457,000. I seriously don't think if the valuer were inside and would have valued at 1.83, it probably would have came back maybe 1.5 or 1.6, with so much essential repairs required to bring it back to a living standard. So I'm assuming they would have forked out an extra $200K to bridge the difference between valuation and contract price. It says here the house is in disrepair. It needs a significant renovation from $250,000 for a quick tidy up or up to $1.5 million to gut the whole place, because the balcony needs to replace, roof needs attention, and there's water damage to the brickwork. They need another minimum $500,000 for repairs. The overall cost that they would have put down to buy this property is an extra $1.157 million. Now guys, I don't know how rich these guys are or what type of income they're on. I mean, this guy might be the next CFO of a big tech company. Or she might just have a really great smile. And use that beautiful smile and say to your grandparents, can you give me $3 million to renovate my new house? But whatever makes you happy. I mean, old mate here, the owner, must be really happy, because I'm going to the Bahamas, baby. What do you think? You think it's a good buy? Love to read your comments.